Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use credits on CNFans. So you might be wondering how to start using the credits you have accumulated in your CNFans account. It's actually pretty easy, but there are few things you need to know. First, open the CNFans app and log into your account. Keep in mind that you can only use your credits through the app. This can't be done via the website. Once you are in the app, go to the bottom right and tap on the account section. Then tap on credits option next to your balance. From there, click on redeem products. Now you will need to enter the product code for the item you want to redeem. After entering the code, tap on the redeem. You might be wondering where to get these product codes. You can find them on a specific website, which is haulfans.com. That site provides information on available products and their codes. However, sometimes products are fully redeemed, meaning you won't be able to redeem them until they are restocked. If that is the case, you will need to wait a few days, weeks, or even months for new stock to become available. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.